Alright, so I officially made it through the night. I am rolling out of the campgrounds now. This is the exit. It's gorgeous. Even leaving makes you not want to leave.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Live Oak Canyon Road.
But I heard that there was a community fair in Silverado Canyon today, so I'm going to drive over there since I'm somewhat nearby. My GPS is saying it's about 15 minutes from here, so I'm going to drive over to the Silverado Canyon Community Center and check out the fair. And then I'm going to try something that I probably shouldn't. I'm going to go to the Maple Springs truck trail, even though I don't have a truck, obviously. I have an all-wheel drive car, so I don't know if that will help me out at all. But I'm not going to go all the way to Santiago Peak, of course. I'm just going to go however far my car can comfortably go. But I'm going to drive around this area a little bit longer because it's just so beautiful here. Everyone just seems so happy out here. Even the other loners, they seem like, you know, loners, lone wolves, of course, but everyone seems like they're in a good mood, and I just think I should be in nature more often. So, yeah, let's drive around nature more. I don't think I've ever seen an abbey before, and I'm not sure if I even quite know what an abbey is exactly. I think it's like a Catholic monastery, I guess, but there's one out here. St. Michael's Abbey. That's really cool. Seems like something that would only be in like Europe or something, like medieval. Okay, so I'm on the truck trail for Maple Springs. Just crossed my first little creek. It's only one way though, so I don't know the road rules for you know, passing people. I don't have a Jeep or Subaru or one of these Toyota 4Runner CRV kind of cars. There's a Tesla on the road, so I feel slightly better, but they're stopped. Maybe I shouldn't go further either. Maybe they got out and walked. Ooh, this looks pretty bumpy from here. Don't know. I think I can traverse this though. Okay, so where's our infrastructure? Someone needs to fill in these potholes so that people can get to nature. If I don't pop a tire or anything. Okay, so I let those people pass. It's a good Samaritan. But gorgeous, marvelous, stupendous. This would be nice for like shooting off of. What did that sign say? Oh well. I think it said something like no motorized vehicles. Oh, that might be nice to walk down. Okay, so when I looked on Google Maps, then it looked like I could go as far as like 3 more miles on paved road, but this paved road is you know, no, not good for like regular cars like mine. I have all-wheel drive, and I still feel like not too jazzed about driving over this road, but I want to do it. So I'm gonna see how far we can go until it's like absolutely impossible. I'm just gonna take it slowly up the trail. Another little creek running over the road. This one's going into like a little mini waterfall though, so that's nice. Onwards. Much slower than them. So let them pass me. I'm gonna come down when I pop a tire back here. Let's see. Google Maps says I can go a mile further on the road though. It's just, the roads are, whoop, this might be where I turn around. This is too much. That sucks. I mean, no. I mean, I probably could if I really wanted a chance to, but since I'm worried about my tires, I'll just turn around here. But, so you can go like 2 miles if you have a regular car, I would say. Good 2 miles. Probably not all the way through though, the full 3 miles to get to the off-roading part. The 3-mile paved part is needing repairs. I'm trying to go closer or zoom in, but if you can't see it, it's like really, really dipped out there. That's a deep dip. So I won't chance it. I'll turn around here. on camera, but as I was pulling up, I noticed there's just like a grove of a bunch of those God's candles down here. So nice when you just let nature do its thing. It's so pretty. There's like several of them just hanging out together, growing tall and old together. Up here. Okay, so I'm heading out, but I don't feel too defeated, even though I didn't make it through the full 3 mile of paved access road that supposedly exists. I mean, it's paved for the most part. It's like 98% paved. So, yeah. If you have like a low clearance, like you have a lot going on underneath, I wouldn't even try coming back here at all. There's a lot of dips. So you want to have like, you know, good tire pressure before you come back here. And your wits about you, preferably a partner too. I probably shouldn't have came back here on my own because there is wildlife, but also there's a lot more people back here than I thought there would be. A bunch of guys. Not that they're interested in me or anything, but you know, just so, although I feel like I have my tail tucked between my legs, I feel like I saw quite a lot today. I mean, look at that. campers out here. I'm back at the entrance. This looks like back to civilization. Just drive by the signs here. Get a shot of those. Ranger District. Drivable roads. Okay, so I see an arrow pointing at. So yeah, so supposedly this was supposed to be a drivable road, but I can only drive so far. I can't drive all the way through as the map indicates to where you get, oh, probably can't see, but zoom in maybe, but the map indicates that you should be able to go like from the bottom arrow where it's showing, I don't know if you can see it, but it says no dumping, maximum fine, 6 months imprisonment or both. Jeez. I guess that someone dumped their friggin' refrigerator on here. This sign says parked vehicles must display a Force Adventure Pass. No parking sunset to sunrise. So this is only like days. So you're probably not supposed to camp out here. Maple Springs Visitor Center, but it's closed.